Oh, folks, I slowed down. Sign in the road. They didn't lay it that way. It's very windy today. Today is the reason why the Wright brothers came to North Carolina all the way from Ohio to do their first flying. Wind, wind, wind. Oh, look at this. I think our friends for electrical refurbishment are back. WRIGHT. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. Hang on. Wright Traffic Company. So they do something with traffic. But here are the guys who are working on that. Okay, here we go. They're back, working on it. 3 trucks. I'll turn around and come back. So they took a little vacation. They come back on the windiest day. It's really, I've seen a lot of big branches tree limbs on the ground. Okay, unfortunately we got the sun in our eyes, but we're going to be looking left. I love seeing these guys out here working on this stuff. Nobody behind me. That's sort of a junction pole, plus the fact that it's sitting next to the river, and there are things that rely on it to get across the river besides electrical power. See the wind, the way it's doing the leaves? It's raking the leaves. Steve A.B. Just out here having fun. Came from Heart Health Climb on Faith Rock Trail, saying see you in 73.